Hey guys, it is starting to be spooky season. And my favorite, I love the seasons we're coming into. Like, we got freaking Halloween and Christmas and New Year's and just the vibes. I love everything's so happy and family-like, and I just am so excited. And I know it's only September, so jumping the gun a little, but I'm too excited. And I just want to like feel in the mood. Moving here, I didn't really get to bring a lot, and I even know like Halloween apparel. Like I want like a cute little crew neck. Like I keep getting those Instagram ads. You guys are probably getting them too. I don't know, but of the cute little like skeleton or like pumpkin little crew necks. So I'm gonna try to go to Walmart, see if they have like plain crew necks, get some patches and a sewing kit, and see if I can make my own, even though I've never sewed patches on anything. Never sewed. So we will try this together and we are gonna make this happen because I want a freaking spooky sweatshirt, okay? That's what's gonna happen. I don't know if Walmart sells patches. We're gonna go there because it's only like 5 minutes away, and everything else like Joann Fabrics and Michaels and that kind of stuff that I think that has patches is like 20 minutes away. So we're gonna try Walmart, see what we could find. If we don't find it, then we're freaking going somewhere else because I'm having a spooky sweatshirt. I want to be in the spooky mood. I want to do all the fun things. We got it, baby. Let me give you a haul. We got some good stuff. Let me be straight up. All right. So, I'm gonna try this with 2 crew necks. I got this. It's like a creamy color. It's cute. Just like a little crew neck. It's $11 or $12. And I got this one in a small. And then this really cute like yellow mustardy crew neck. And I got this one in a medium because I never know what size I am. I get small, medium, and large. It's like, does anyone else do that? I don't know. And then I have no clue what this is. Halloween jumbo confetti, but it looks like patches. I don't know. I'm just gonna try it. I got another one with like bats. It's cute. And they're only 98 cents each. So I'm like, I'm just gonna try it. I don't know. Maybe I can use them for something else too. But then I got the goods, okay? This is cute. This is cute. And so is this. I got 2, that's why I got these 2 crew necks. I'm really hoping this works. It says you have to iron on these, but I got a sewing kit. Hopefully I could sew these on. Like I said, I do not know how to sew. I'm gonna watch a YouTube video. I'm gonna try. And I just like really hope this turns out because I will be so happy. Like I spent like $30. And I could have like 2 really cute crew necks. And I will just be really happy. So I just hope this works. Oh, and we cannot forget, I got a little vanilla candle. It smells like fall. This was like $1. We're on a budget, but we still need the fall vibes. Okay, you feel me? I need to learn how to sew, and this needs to come together. If it doesn't, I'll be sad, but we're gonna try this. We're gonna do it. All right, guys, we are back, and we're ready to set the mood. We're ready to get this thing freaking rolling. Ow, I burned my finger. Okay, I'm just gonna set this right here. Can you smell it? Just kidding. Smell good though. Okay, so that is burning right here. Cool. I watched a YouTube video on how to sew like a patch onto clothing. I could do it. It looks like this is gonna take me like 5 hours. I don't know, let's get started. It looks so hard threading the freaking needles because like, I don't know. And I don't know what color thread I should use for these patches. Oh, the first step. they said, is to find the place where you want to put your patches. So let's do that first. I heard that like places are canceling Halloween or thinking of canceling Halloween, and that makes me so sad. Like, I feel so bad for the kids, and like that just, I don't know, it's just like what you do every year, and that just really makes me upset. And it's weird to think that I was the last class that was normal. Like, nothing got changed because of Corona or anything. I graduated 2019, had normal graduation, everything, and obviously, like, last year's senior class and now this year's is getting all messed up, and I mean, like, everything is, but like, it's so weird to think about. I'm really not a fashionista. All I wear is sweatshirts and leggings and t-shirts. So like, I don't know much about this. Someone help me. Emma, I saw you have a new styling show. You should style me, because I have no clue what I'm doing. I need an opinion. I need a friend. Should I phone a friend? Okay, well, we're just gonna leave this for now and move on to this one. Let's talk about things that I dressed up as a kid for Halloween. I dressed up as Hannah Montana, classic. I feel like everyone did that when they were younger. I dressed up as, I think his name's Slash. I don't know, it was a guitar player. I don't know his name. Maybe I'll find a picture. I dressed up as a vampire, classic. What else did I dress up as? Oh, I mean, when I was in high school, and I dressed up as freaking like the basics, angel and like devil, and you know, those type of outfits. Oh, when I was younger, I dressed up as Cindy Lou Who, and my other friends were other people from like The Grinch. Alright, this is what we got. And then on the back, gonna do that like behind. I have to figure out how to put the needle in the thread. I'm gonna use this like tan thread, I've decided, for my little fall shirt. So let's see if I can do this. This is so tiny. Oh my god. Okay. Okay guys, I got the little tiny knot at the bottom. I know you can't see it, but I got it. Guys, I did it! I patched my first letter. How cool. Alright, that took me so long, it kind of looks wonky, but we're gonna keep on going. All this is sewed. This one's like wonky, and but whatever. But this is done so far. Now I need to do the tractor and the pumpkins. This has been like weirdly therapeutic though. Like, I've been having fun. It's just hard, but it's turning out really cute, so I'm gonna keep going. You push through it, and it's gonna be cute. It's gonna be worth it. Alright, we have the truck on, the tractor truck, and we have the love on. I think this looks actually really good. I'm super proud. If you actually look closely, it's not really good, but far away, awesome. Now I just have to put the pumpkins on the back, and then this shirt will be done. An hour and a half later, we have one shirt done. How cute. And this is the little pumpkins in the back. I finished the boo. It's all done. It looks good. Let me just say, it's been like 2 hours. So I recommend you do this. It's turning out so cute and I'm just gonna be so happy for when it's done. But don't do this unless you have patience. And I don't. I have a little bit of patience. So I'm hanging on. This shirt is almost done. We got the little kitty cat done. Looks good. Now all we have is Mr. Bat over here. And then this shirt is done. Guys, it's all finished. I'm obsessed with how this came out. Oh my god. I did kind of mess up on this one because I couldn't see and I like sewed the back. So hopefully that's not an issue when I try it on. Comment which one you like better. I'm going to try them on and see how they both fit and look. Okay, this is what I was most excited about, and I don't really like how this fits. I feel like I would have liked it maybe if I like cropped it, but then I would cut off this part. I don't know. Maybe if I'm like styled it a little better, but like the patches and the color, very, very cute. It's not my favorite thing ever, but still cute. A little fall vibe, which is exactly what I wanted. This one, honestly, I like the other one more, but I like this one more. It is very Halloween, cute. I have the bat on this sleeve that you can't really see. Just remember, I got this one in a small and the other one in a medium, and this one just fits me better. I should have got them both in a small. I don't know, but I like them both. So my final review is 10 out of 10. I do recommend you doing this. I would go to Walmart, get these little crewnecks. They are comfortable too. Get those 2 patches I showed you, or if they have other patches, or go get your own patches. Make it fun, make it unique. It's cheap. You can make your cute little spooky time. Did, however, take a lot of time. I mean, if you were a way better sewer and more experienced, it would have taken you probably max an hour. But for me, 3 hours. Yeah, that's how long it took. But it's fine. Had a good time. I had nothing better to do, so it worked out, I guess. It gave me something to do, and it was honestly fun. Like, it was like therapeutic. Oh, it's really cute. I like it. But I definitely recommend this. This is pretty simple. If you look up a sewing video on YouTube, if you don't know how to sew, it's really not that hard. You just have to go up and down. The hardest part was literally putting the frickin' thread in the needle. Like, that took me the most time, I think. But all in the end, I got my little fall and spooky shirts just like I wanted. So I am happy. I love this season. It's just all around good vibes, good moods, and I hope you all have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, see you next time.